Hi everyone! My name is Mira and I'm from Style Korean. And today I want to show you my skincare empties. So let's go! So yeah, let's start from my favorite serum, and this is from D'Alba. The name is First Spray Serum. It comes with this spray bottle. And what I like about it that you can apply it before makeup, during makeup, and even after makeup. So that's why I'm just bringing it everywhere with me, and I can reapply it during the day. I got it as a gift from my friend, and for the first time I was very worried because it contains oil. So I thought it will be too heavy to my skin, but turned out it's for all the type of skin. It kind of blew up in Korea because all the bloggers and especially makeup artists, they use it in their makeup routine or skincare routine. So yeah, it's very popular in Korea. I already have 3 empties from this product. This one I almost use it till the end. Don't worry, I already reordered. The next one is of course COSRX. As you know, this product is all over TikTok and YouTube, and everyone is recommending it. Seeing the texture of this product, I also was worried will it be suitable for my oily skin, but then I read the comment that it's for all type of the skins, also same with the D'Alba. So that's why I just tried it, and it just makes my skin really glowy in the morning. I use it for my night skin routine after the toner. It's not heavy at all compared to other essence, and it makes your skin hydrated for the whole day. Yeah, that's why I like it. This one is G9 Skin Pore Solution Pad. And before I never used the pad, but when I came to Style Korean, I heard that if you dry your hair, it can actually damage your skin. That's why I was searching for some good pad, and my friend recommended G9 Skin for me. I tried it and I fell in love with it. Yeah, and from that day I put it on my cheeks and then dry my hair. Actually, I felt like it makes my makeup much better. So yeah, as you can see, I used it till the very end. Yeah, but I ordered another one already too. It will come soon. So yeah, it was my skincare empties, and let me know in the comments if you use any of these products. See you next week. Bye bye!